ow, hairs, ow, hairs, ow, ow.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing absolutely amazing today, whatever you are doing. And I'm coming at you with some TikTok viral makeup hacks that I've seen when I've been sat for hours and hours watching TikTok. It's been a while since I played with some makeup with you guys. This is the finished look of using TikTok hacks. I've done nothing with my hair. Today I've just put it up in a hair mask and it's just chilling. And yeah, it's been a fun video. I really hope you enjoy it. If you do enjoy these videos, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below. I love to chat with you guys. And yeah, enjoy the video guys, and let's get into some TikTok hacks. Let's start on the brows. So I'm going to pop on a video here that I saw on TikTok. So basically she's using some tape and then she's creating the perfect brow. So now I literally cannot see a damn thing. Jesus Christ, I've messed up that brow so bad. I mean, look at this little sponge. Holy Jesus. Let's just carve them out. Let's go with it. We're going to carve them out and we're just going to have weird looking brows for the remainder of this video. Hack that I want to do is where people have been putting darkest to lightest to shimmery shade of shadow and then just blending it all in. So I'll show you a quick clip of the video that I'm talking about. Fluffy brush and blend all this hot mess together. That has actually worked. This one's just for a gimmick, for a laugh. So I want to do a bit of a wing liner on this, and I've seen people take tape from here to here and then put tape across there and dip their finger in black, brown shadow and do a wing. So we're gonna do that. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm actually doing this on the internet and I can't breathe like that. I mean, do I look gorgeous or what? I've never looked better on the internet. As much as I'm liking the tape all over my face, let's take it off. Ow, ow, hairs, ow, hairs, 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 ow, ow, ow. I'd say that one was a complete and utter fat fail, guys. That did not work out the way I wanted it to. For the foundation hack,
moisturize first, then after moisturizing, take some translucent powder. I usually use the Fit Me one, and I just lightly dab it all over my face, not too much. Then take some setting spray. It could be any setting spray. I usually use the NYX one. And just put on your foundation and just see what happens.
I am absolutely shocked because I thought that was going to look completely and utterly cakey, but it doesn't. So the next hack is to get your bronzer and spray it with some setting spray and turn it into a cream. So I'm going to use this stippling brush, and I've used an old bronzer that's about to run out because I don't want to ruin any. And I think this one is another thumbs up, guys. Ooh, I quite like that one, to be honest. I've used this hack before, I've done it before, so I'm going to use some red lipstick and just put some. This hack I actually do like. And instead of spraying my face with setting spray,
if you're still spraying your setting spray like this, stop it immediately. Damp beauty sponge and spray the living hell out of this bit. Putting on your highlight areas, you're going to want to press the sponge into your skin very lightly.
I love that hack. It's made my skin so flawless. I've seen people baking their face with baby powder. That sit there, and the last hack that I'm going to try is the ombre lip that went absolutely viral. So I'm going to show you guys a video that I've seen on TikTok. So basically you get a pale colour and then a darker colour, and you merge your lips together, and it comes up with this gorgeous ombre lip. And then you get the darker lipstick. And you literally just rub your lips together and merge them. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh, wow. I love that combination. If you had like, instead of pink, if you had like a lighter nude, then you could merge those two together and that would look stunning. Oh, I do like that. I like that. So I'm just going to take a fluffy brush now and get rid of all that bake. I mean, overall, my skin, my base looks flawless. I'm not a fan of the big blocky brows, never have been. I love more my fluffy brow. The shadow, it looks okay, but I prefer to just do it the normal way. The lips, I love the lips, but my skin looks absolutely flawless. So I am quite glad that we did these makeup TikTok hacks. I love them. Would I use them in my everyday makeup? Probably not. They're just fun to try out. So yeah, if you've got any other makeup hacks or anything like that that you'd like me to try out, then put it down in the description below, guys, because I love filming these kinds of videos. So I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on. So I'm just going to use the Bad Girl Bang by Benefit. I'm just going to put a little bit of mascara on. So guys, this is the end of the video. What did you think about these hacks? Some I liked, some not so much. Comment down in the comments below. Let's get chatting. Let's get talking about makeup hacks and what's your favourite makeup hack to do. I'd love to know. Give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and click that bell so you get updated every time I upload a video, which is every Sunday. And yeah, I think I might start doing shopping hauls on a Wednesday. Give me a thumbs up or comment down below if you'd like to see that. And yeah, this is it, guys. This is it in a nutshell. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I love you always, and stay safe. Love you guys. Bye.